In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do built-in combo charts within Google Sheets. It's a new feature, and let's go ahead and dive right into it. Over here on the right, I have the instructions in this little blue column here, but I'm going to showcase them on video as well. So in this example, we have our month here, revenue, and then our conversion rate. The benefits of a built-in combo chart is that we can see two different metrics, right? We're going to see revenue and conversion rate, and then over time how they are together. So what you want to do is I'm going to select right here. I'm going to select from J4 all the way down to L16, the different cells here. And then I'm going to go to Insert, and then I'm going to go to Chart, like so. Here's our chart just for visual purposes. And then we want to go to Setup and then Chart Type, hit the drop-down menu, and then you're going to see this option here that says Combo. We'll have combo that is just a clustered column with a line, and then we'll have one that is a clustered column with a line on a secondary axis. This is the one we want to choose for this example. So if I select this one here, it's going to show me the conversion rate with a line here. And then right here in our columns, it's going to show the revenue over time. Now, once we've done that, I want us to go to Customize, the Customize option over here. Once you have the chart selected, go to Series, and then go to Axis right here, and go to Right Axis. So by doing that, that will bring up this option over here as far as revenue on our right axis, and you can customize this chart like you can any other chart. And the other thing we can do under chart type is a custom. So we can do a custom combo where we can go in here and add what we want the axis to be as far as what data point. Again, in order to do a built-in combo chart with your data selected, and then go right here where you see combo, and then you can go here and either add a custom line on secondary or clustered combo here. If you have any questions about doing any of this, you can put those in the comment section below. I'll have some frequently asked questions down there too in a pinned comment, and we'll see you in the next video.